I'm going to go through several different types of acid reactions. So the acid is one of the reactants, and in each of the different types of reactions there's another different reactant. So the acid reacts with another reactant to produce certain products, and they're predictable for each one of these. The first one is called a neutralization reaction. In a neutralization reaction, this is when there is an acid and a base, and the products are water and salt. Now, definition of a salt is any compound formed by a metal taking the place of the hydrogen atom in an acid. So let's say our acid is hydrochloric acid, so that's HCl, plus sodium hydroxide. So we know one of our products is water, H2O. The other product is salt, or a salt. Now, what is that salt going to be? Let's have a look here. We've used this hydrogen and this hydroxide to make water. H, so two H's and one O. So what have we got left? We've got sodium and chlorine. So let's put those together as an ionic compound, and we have NaCl. Definition of a salt is any compound formed by a metal taking the place of the hydrogen atom in an acid. So the metal here, sodium, takes the place of the hydrogen in the acid. So that's what a salt is. The next type is an acid-metal reaction. So we have an acid plus a metal. Now, when they react, they form hydrogen gas and salt. So let's go and do an example. Again, hydrochloric acid, and let's use magnesium as the metal. Hydrogen gas is H2, and the salt, let's see what we have left. Magnesium, the metal, takes the place of the hydrogen, so we have magnesium chloride. Now, that is magnesium chloride. So let's see if this is balanced. So there's two chlorines here, one chlorine here, two, and there we go, that's balanced. So that's an acid-metal reaction, and it produces hydrogen gas and a salt. And of course, a salt is when a metal replaces hydrogen in an acid. The last one is an acid-carbonate reaction. So an acid-carbonate, let me say, so an acid plus a carbonate. The products are water, carbon dioxide, and a salt. Okay, so let's go and show you an example here of a particular acid-carbonate reaction. So the acid we're going to use is hydrochloric acid, and the carbonate we're going to use is calcium carbonate. And calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Okay, and the products are water. Carbon dioxide, of course, is CO2. And then we have a salt. Now, what's the salt going to be? A salt is when a metal replaces an acid. So we've got calcium chloride. See if we can get this to balance. There's a bit here, isn't there? One calcium, one calcium. Now we've got two chlorines. So I'm going to put a 2 here for 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen. Now we've got 3 oxygens here, 2 and 3. So that's actually balanced like that. So here's 3 different types of acid reactions. What we've learnt is that Salt is produced in each of these, and salt is when the hydrogen of an acid is replaced by a metal, and that's how we produce a salt.